Hello, Internet. So now that we have the self-service UI front end installed, we could log in as an administrator and you could see some little menu items down on the side here. What we're interested in right now is the users. So we have two users, and let's create a user. And so let's create JDo, Gmail. Let's call this person John Doe. All right, let's put in a nice password. Okay, so you can create this user, successfully added, and now it shows up in the list. So you could tell what the email address is, not mandatory, a name, if they're administrator and if they're logged in, there are some action buttons here. So we can edit the user and we can change their name. So let's change that to Jane because it's Jane and not John. Right, so we go back and load it up. You see it's now Jane Doe. We can make them an administrator, which means that when they log in, they will see this. We don't do that quite yet. We can also impersonate them. So this will let you select a user as administrator and basically log in as that user to work with the application as that user without actually having to know their password. You just click impersonate. Yes, you'd like to impersonate JDo. So here we are now logged in as JDo. So from here, we can go to our profile. We can edit our profile. We're JDo. If we'd like to change our password, you put in the current one and put in the new password that we want, right? But we don't want to update anything quite yet. Find out about the application here. And here is where we actually have our VPN clients with the embedded WireGuard UI. So let's add a new one here. So by default, it comes up as unnamed client. We want to name this something a little nicer. So let's phone. All right, you could see the changes here. All right, it shows up. You could download the configuration. We could add another one. And if you don't want this to exist anymore, we could very easily delete the client configuration. So we have everything working in this embedded WireGuard UI. So let's log out Jane and log back in as admin. What we're going to do is we are going to change Jane to be an administrator. So now you see is administrators Y. So if we impersonate Jane now, we will see that Jane actually has access to the users and settings tabs, which she didn't have access to before. So you may notice you actually cannot impersonate the administrators. It's a very special account. We can change your password and stuff while we are there, but we can't impersonate them. So what we're going to do now, we're going to log back in as admin, and we are going to delete Jane. Well, let's remove from admin. We can do that, so you can see removing from admin. So it's administrator, not N. Now you could just delete Jane, and Jane Doe is now gone. Now note that this does not remove um, the VPN connections. You could do an impersonation and delete the VPN connections because it's a separate management system, but this will let you do the administration of letting them do better self-service via authentication. And yeah, so we have some settings, some profile stuff, but that's pretty much it.